everyone. It is finally bearable. It is a bearable day finally. Well, this past week the heat and humidity has been just crazy hot. You don't even want to go out. But today's actually a nice day. It's a Monday. I'm up here in Center City. I'm just gonna do a little stroll around. I always love coming up here. You gotta watch you don't get run over. Yes, Center City, Angelinas City, where all the action is, where everybody's at. Where am I gonna? Hey, good morning, good morning. Everybody's friendly up through here. We got the clackers. We got the clackers. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Somebody asked me about that one time. That round thing in the middle. All right, let me get away. Let me get away from the music. I was told. I'm good, buddy. I was told that years ago. Boy, it's all cleaned up through here. They must have come through and made everybody clear all their shit off the road here. I was told years ago that you would have to stand in there. Something to do with if you broke the law or something, you had to stand in there and talk or sing or ask forgiveness. I don't know. That's what I was told. But boy, they really cleaned this up through here. Just strolling around. Oh yeah, good morning. I have a question for you.
Okay, go ahead.
What is that in the middle?
Oh, that's the police, they call it rotonda.
Right.
Circle and the policeman, the one that they stay there.
He would direct traffic.
Yeah.
All right. So I was told years ago that if you did something bad, they would make you stand in there and like ask forgiveness or no. So it's a police rotunda.
Yeah.
All right. I cleared that rumor up. All right, guys.
See you.
Thank you. Take care. So there it is. He told me. Somebody told me the complete opposite. You never know. Now he was an official, Angelinas City. I don't know, traffic. I didn't look at his shirt, but he was an official, so he would know. A police. When you haven't been up here for a while and walked around, things do change. This place here always seems to be very popular. Tomar Jed Refreshment. Always seems to be a lot of people hanging out here. Very popular. Oh, look out. You got run over by a jeepney. Oh yeah, things change. Scenery changes. Well, stores change. People are always saying, hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
You got the peanuts here. Fresh peanuts, right? All right. These are good. Garlic. Those are garlic, right? What are these peanuts?
Garlic.
Garlic also. What about it? They're just plain. Plain, right? All right. All right, buddy. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Oh, what's up, buddy?
All right, what are you selling? What are you selling? Cigarettes,
yes.
Gum, lighters, candies. You got a little box of everything, right?
Yeah, all right.
All right. All right, buddy. I always like them peanuts. I know, Cheap Charlie, why don't you buy so many peanuts? Right? Yeah, these boxes, you see these vendors selling stuff like that all the time. There's Pendicel, a roaming Pendicel. You better get it right. I've noticed a couple of them roaming around. It's like on wheels. We'll just cruise down here and show you what's down through here. A lot of places selling the same thing. You wonder how they stay in business, but they do. Morning. You wonder how they do, but they're always here. I don't hear it. Usually the one out right over there. That one store right over there is always just cranking music. For some reason they're not cranking the music. At its finest. PNP's finest. Hello, hello. Across the street here. area so much, I just kind of know my way around. Thank you, buddy. They were nice. They stopped. They didn't want to hurt me and run me over. I've just roamed this area so much that, good morning. I just kind of know my way around here. Morning. Can't get lost. Hello, what's your name? You want to shout out? No, shout out. Shout out. friendly girls. I just walk. The only way to find your way around anywhere in the Philippines is just to walk. That's the only way. Big cities, small cities. I always say I don't know how people figure out Manila, but then again, if you live down in them areas, you're going to know your way around. Where to, boy, that felt good. I just walked by the mall entrance and the air coming out of there was, wow. If you live somewhere and roam around, you're going to figure it out, right? I think there's, what, 500,000+ people in the city of Angeles City. But Angeles City is a pretty big city that spreads out. This beautiful lady here would love to give a shout out. Give a shout out.
I shout out for those people who's watching your, what do you call this one?
My YouTube.
Your YouTube.
Yes.
So nice to meet you, see you around here in Angeles, Pampanga. If you did something that you can just picture mobile and you wanted to buy something like that, or how can we help you?
And what's your name?
So that's the yeah, my name is Miss Pauline.
And what's the name of your store?
Yeah, my name of the store is DGC Merchandising.
Okay.
We are repairing and selling a mobile. Whatever you need, you just come here and
and make sure to bring some Dunkin' Donuts for her, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
God.
How about you? What's your name?
My name.
What you got to shout out? Now she's shy. She was talking earlier. Now she's shy. Your name is And.
Okay.
A-N-D, like your shirt. And, right? And you? What's your name?
I can understand English.
Now he's got nosebleed, right? Everybody gets nosebleed. So, yes, come see her. Bring her some Dunkin' Donuts. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
I roomed 2 stalls down. I am now at the Korean street food. Even up here in the city, they do Korean street food. I was speaking to the girl and she said it's Korean owned. There's their menu down here. Once again, you can eat at these places for like $1, a little over a US dollar. Everything is cooked fresh here. She was explaining to me, what is this again, ma'am?
Tteokbokki, sir. Tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki.
Yes, sir.
I guess I'm pronouncing that right. And this is
Fish cake.
fish cakes.
Shabu-shabu.
Shabu shabu.
Yes, sir.
It looks like a piece of candy.
Yes, sir. Seafoods.
Seafoods. And then this here.
Imari.
Okay.
Dynamite.
Dynamite
Cheese
rolls.
roll.
Cheese rolls.
Corn dog.
Corn dog.
Crab stick.
Crab sticks.
Mango.
Mango?
Mango. Dumplings.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much. Like I said, come see her. What's your name?
Leo.
Leo.
Yes, sir.
All right, nice to meet you. Thank you for any shout outs for anybody? No shout outs? Okay. All right. Thank you. In case you weren't aware of this or not, the Philippines is the #1 country in the world for social media. For selfies, for Facebooking, for TikToking, you name it. The tiny island chains in the Philippines is #1 in the world. Everybody loves to be on social media. People love to give out shout outs. People always love to TikTok. What I don't get is they love TikTok, they love Facebook. A lot of times people will hide their face, yet it leads the world in social media. Now watch out here, I don't get run over by the truck drivers. Truck drivers, hey, truck drivers, I'm all right. Good morning. Shout out to the truck drivers.
Shout out.
Shout
You're
out.
a blogger?
Yes. What's your name, Kuya?
Richard.
Richard, nice to meet you. It's your trike line, huh?
Yeah.
You guys pay a monthly fee for here, right? A monthly fee for the trike line or yearly fee?
Just only daily use.
Daily
A day,
use?
yeah.
A day?
10 pesos a day.
To use the trike line?
Yeah.
10 pesos. All right, good deal. Thanks, guys. Truck drivers are always one of the best bakeries in Center City here. Angelina Bakery. Everything is always fresh every day, and every time you walk by, it smells so good. These are good. Hopia, Hopia. Oh yeah, how do you pronounce that? Hopia, Hopi, yeah. But they make them fresh right there. Like I said, this is probably one of the best bakeries here in Center City, Angeles City. Hello. They're always cooking fresh. She's cooking something fresh. It's very masarap. You see it. Fresh and smells so good. Too bad they don't. Good morning. Too bad they don't have like shoe fly pie, whoopie pies, funny cake, apple pies. Too bad they don't have that because man, I buy in here every day. But everything is fresh. How many years in business? How many years has this business been here? Oh, right here. Wow. There it is. Angelina's Bakery. 1936. Wow, that dates back to pre-World War II. Wow, I didn't know that. Is that the original owner back there? That's her? So that's the original owner back there. Are any of you family? No family. Wow, I didn't know it was that old. I always say it's the best bakery in Center City. The best bakery, everything's fresh. So wow, I just learned that. That's something new right there. 1936. Wow. Cool, right? Guys, Filipinos love their Jollibee. This is Center City in the circle, the Jollibee. You guys see how full it is, and it's got 3 floors. What am I doing in Jollibee? Well, I had to come to Jollibee to relieve myself. And you guys see it. Jollibee. Filipinos love Jollibee, that's for sure. All right, I'm going to give this area some love. I rarely walk down through here, so we're going to give this area a little bit of love, show you what's going on down through here. Once again, it's store after store after store. I don't know what he's doing there. Morning, Koya. All right. See, it's all pretty much the same thing that you see on the other streets. Morning.
Good morning.
Everybody just doing their thing.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, good morning, buddy.
Morning.
All right. I guess it's different. Well, on the other street was a lot of cell phone stuff. There's a lot of appliances here, radios and different things like that. Morning. And we're going to come up on the fire department. Fire department coming up here on the left. Good morning. Yeah, let's go see the fire department. Good morning. Let's go see the fire department. All right, so I just spoke to the fine firemen here at the Angeles City Fire Station here. I am going to come back later on, not today, but he told me to come back after 5 o'clock or so during the week, and when he's off shift, and he would explain everything, walk me through it, give an in-depth detail on how it works here in the Philippines with the fire company. So that's cool. That's cool. They're open to that and they're receptive and allowing me to do something like that. So anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. I might be sweating a little bit, but this is not near as harsh of an environment as it was this past week. So all right, guys, I guess off to another spot, and stay tuned for the next video. And oh, there's garbage guys right there. Hate to have that job. So all right, guys, we shall talk to you later.